This
Okay.
conference will now be recorded.
Okay. Can you open that and share your screen?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll make you organizer 1 minute. Okay.
I have to go to free hosting or which one?
No, no, I have shared a link also, like avinash.in. Okay, it is avinashreddy.in.
AI
Uh,
Gen.
the sec- yeah, the second link, avinashreddy.in/wp-admin.
Okay. Yeah. Can you see my screen?
Yes, I can. I can.
Okay.
So, username is your name and password is admin@123. Just copy paste.
Is this your or like whose it is?
This is my site actually.
Oh, okay.
Your domain I have installed it again from a different server, but again it was the same issue, database error. So I have raised a request from the team. I think uh, the SQL server or the database server is not working, is not picking up. So I have raised a request. It might take some time, maybe 1 or 2
Okay.
days. So I don't want to waste time on that. It will come up,
Okay. Okay.
but meanwhile we'll
Mm-hmm.
use this site.
Okay. 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 Yeah. Sure.
So this is the WordPress dashboard. So once you log in to this, this is the main. You have the admin access to this one. This is a dummy site. No need to worry if anything happened. Dummy site, there is nothing else in the site.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. When you have time, you can just go through things. No worries. If something happened, it's fine. Okay. And uh,
So I
yeah, this is
can
the yeah.
keep this thing, right?
Yeah, you can keep this thing.
Okay.
You can keep this thing. Once I get that done, then you can use that, and it's no problem.
Okay.
Okay. So this is the WordPress website. So if you open avinashreddy.in in the next tab, you can see the site. What is
Oh,
this
where?
site? You can see that. In the other tab, just open avinashreddy.in. This is
Uh,
dummy. You don't see much good website build. Not
this is
wp/admin, just avinashreddy.in.
Vinash Reddy
Reddy.in.
dot in.
That's it. No, remove the WP and all the other thing from the URL. It would be a bit slow because we are using a free server,
Mm-hmm.
so it would be
Yeah.
slow. It's fine.
This is the one?
And yeah, this is the one. This is just the template. Site was not built. Just it was a WordPress template was installed. That's it.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Now assume that you want to start your own business on, like you just want to build a site, whatever it is.
Mm-hmm.
Just pick a theme like e-commerce, for example, e-commerce in the sense like Amazon, Flipkart. These are the e-commerce sites and service-based sites. For example, if you want to start a company, so it might be a service-based, like digital marketing agency or an institute where it teaches
Uh-huh.
uh, different things. So that's a service-based website. It will be okay. So based on that, we'll pick the themes.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Once we pick the themes and we can decide when we decide that this is how my website need to look like on the top, the menus and all. Okay.
Yeah.
In Google, you can type like WordPress themes, you will find many themes.
Okay.
Yeah,
The
go to
first.
the first. Yeah, go to the first one. So
Oh, okay.
below you're seeing all these themes. So unlike HTML, Python or something, we need to build from scratch. Okay, or maybe we need to get the code from GitHub or something. But here
Mm-hmm.
already the websites will be built. You'll get the free themes also. Here you are seeing the price, but you'll get the free themes also.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
so you
Sure.
can preview these themes and you can just pick one and you can download and you can install those themes in our websites also. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Mm-hmm.
So this is on the first part of picking the theme or selecting how our website should be.
Should be.
Any
Yeah.
website
Mm-hmm.
when you're starting from scratch. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Now go to the WordPress dashboard. Yeah. So once you install the WordPress in the server, this is how it looks. You have the admin access and you can see everything. So now on the left side, the black one, that is the main menu, and
Mm-hmm.
the white screen is the preview what you're seeing. So here under the main menu, these are the things like dashboard is nothing, just it will show some site health and all the stuff, what we install plugins and
Mm-hmm.
things. Home and updates, both the same. And then you will see post media pages, three things.
Yeah.
Okay. Media is nothing but just the images or the PDF files, whatever you upload to the website.
Mm-hmm.
In any page that might be, just it's a gallery. In our phone, we have the gallery, right? Same
Yeah.
like
Yeah.
media is the gallery. That's it. And pages. Pages are the web pages like home page, about us page, service pages. These pages
Mm-hmm.
we can build it under the pages. Okay.
Okay.
And post. The first one is the post. Post is like blogs.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, pages and posts are same related, but in the post, as it is the blogs, it will have additionally categories and tags. Okay, you
Okay.
can see two categories and tags we have. For example,
Yeah.
you are blogging about cooking or you are blogging about traveling.
Mm-hmm.
If let's say cooking, then veg is one category, non-veg is one category.
Uh-huh. Yeah.
That those are the categories we can based on our content we can define categories. Okay, and inside the category we need to tag them. So for example, if it is a non-veg, then chicken is one category, mutton is one category.
Mm-hmm.
Sorry, tags, these are the tags. Chicken, mutton, these are the tags. Okay, that depends on how we define how much content we write and how we need to do the category and tags. We can
Yeah.
categorize chicken also we can mention it under the category. Under the chicken we can mention different recipes as the tags. It's our choice.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. These are the additional things which we have in the post, but pages and post mostly same. But post wise, in the sense like if 10 people are writing an articles, then all the articles need to be grouped like non-veg, all that non-veg content need to be grouped by a category. So we will create categories and then under category we will create the tags.
Mm-hmm.
So that is the
Okay.
difference between the pages and post. So mostly pages we'll use for the top pages, home, about us, services, and things
Mm-hmm.
like that. And other than the other part, like explanatory videos or explanatory content, like how to do
Mm-hmm.
this, that all the details will be under post. Okay. So these are the things. And then comments. We'll come back and we'll create and we'll see how it works. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Comments, when you're reading an article, below that you will see comment us or ask any
Yeah.
questions
Yeah.
if you
Yeah.
right. So whenever in our website, if someone comments, some users comments on our website, then we can see all the comments in this section.
Yeah.
Those are comments. Yeah, and below we have rank math and Everest forms. These are the plugins. Okay, so plugins in the sense, let's assume like WordPress is like Android or iOS,
Mm-hmm.
and we have Play Store or Apple Store. So like we can install any app and we can do that. Like for example, if you want to edit your images, You can just go to Play Store or some app store, and then you can download a app where it can edit the images. You can do that easily. Same way,
Mhm.
WordPress. If you want to create a gallery page with some images rolling, or images with the designs, we can't do the coding, we can't do the HTML part and things like that. So we'll just go to the plugin part and we'll just install any plugin, the gallery or the home page or the banners, different designs. We'll install those plugins and we'll add them to our site. It's an easy
Okay.
process. So those plugins are these. Rank math is like how our website is ranking, the analytics, how many people are coming, and all the SEO, how to track that. So that is
Mhm.
an app. Okay, that is a plugin which I have installed in that. Everest Forms is also a plugin. Forms is like in the contact us page we need a form, right? People
Mhm.
want to submit a request, then we need a form. For that purpose, we need some forms. I can't build it in HTML, so we can install the forms plugin. Not only Everest, there are many other company forms also. We can install anything which we like.
Okay.
Okay. WooCommerce. WooCommerce is like e-commerce. Like we can add products to that. If you click on WooCommerce, you can see home, orders, customers, coupons. These are all things.
Okay.
So we can
Mhm.
add many coupons. Like if you have 10 products, you can add 10 products to the WooCommerce. So we
Yeah.
can see all the orders and details in that. Okay. So below is the product section. Under WooCommerce, we have the product section. We can upload whatever the products we have. So under the WooCommerce, we can see who are ordering those products and the details, how many products and all. Okay. Just once give the username and password. It was asking. Your name is the username. Password will be admin at 123. Admin A capital.
Yeah.
Okay. So that is on the product section. Analytics, same. How many people are visiting, how many pages they are visiting, how much time they are spending. That is the analytics part. Okay. So
Yeah.
these are all the plugins. If you come down a bit, analytics, marketing, come down a bit. Elementor, come down. Elementor template. Uh, Elementor is also a plugin which will be coming by default with the WordPress. Nowadays, it is coming by default with the WordPress. Elementor is like how we edit, like drag and drop, right? How we drag
Mhm.
and drop. That is Elementor. We don't drag and drop now. Elementor, with the help of Elementor, we can just select whatever we want at a place. We want image, we will select the image block and all. So
Mhm.
it is kind of editor. Okay.
Okay.
And template is nothing, just will come back there, templates. And appearance. So here, this is the main thing. On the top we do have pages, post, media, those three. And
Mhm.
when we come below, appearance, plugins, user, tool, settings, these are the six things will come when we install WordPress. The other things, all the other things, from the rank math to templates, all are
Mhm.
the plugins which I have installed.
Okay. Okay.
That no need to install these plugins. We can install any other things. If it is a service based company, we don't need these products and WooCommerce things.
Mhm.
So it depends on how we are building the site. But appearance, plugins, user, tool, settings, these are all by default. We will have them and we will use them. So under appearance section, we do have themes, customization, and all. So under themes, if you go to themes,
Mhm.
click on it. Yeah. If you come down, you will see all these are the themes. So we have three themes in this one. But if you want anything below, we have the plus icon under the three themes. Just click
Mhm.
on the add new theme. Okay, here these are all the themes we can install in our website. We will have a search bar. You can just search like digital marketing agency. So you'll get the agency related themes websites. If you type e-commerce, you'll get e-commerce type of themes. So based on what we want, we can install that themes.
Yeah.
Okay. And when you preview this theme, like if you go to Hello Elementor, the third one, just mouse over on that. Yeah, details and preview. Click on it. Details and preview. So here you can see the image is good. The website image is good on the left side, but when you're seeing the preview, you're not seeing the exact website. So here it will not show the exact website, but we can build the exact website how it was showing. Some themes will be free, some themes will not be free.
Okay.
Okay. They will give the free version. Free versions are like limited access. We can just build the basic websites. When we go for paid, then we can do whatever we want, and we can import the website also.
Yeah.
Okay. When we paid, they'll just give everything. We just need to change the names and things.
Okay.
That's it. So that is how it will be. But once we install, we can do all the things. Just close this thing.
Yeah.
Okay. This is the theme section. We can install the theme. So once we install the theme, for example, here Zakra was installed and activated, the first one. So now how do we customize that? Here you can see the customize button, and under the themes also in the menu you can see the customize button. The both are same. Okay, if you click on customize, okay. So here under the customization part, we can do the major changes like the logos, images, the colors of our website. So all the things will be under the customization part, the font, everything. So this customization part will be different for each theme. Okay, if you're selecting this theme, for this theme the customization details are here. But if you're selecting other theme, if you're installing another theme, then that customization options will be different.
Okay.
Okay, it will differ from theme to theme. You just need to we just need to understand just where to go to what to edit. That's it. Okay, here under the customization on the left side, they're asking for view pro version. We don't need the pro version. So under the pro version, we have these global. Just click on the global. So here we have these options to edit colors, background, layout, typography, font, like typography, font, buttons. So
Buttons.
what are these things we can make changes? Okay, we can go inside and we can make the color changes. We can do that,
Yeah.
all the stuff. Okay, go back. Don't close it, just go back. Yeah, like that same way. Header part. How do we color the header part? The images. What image we need to add under the header part? So these
Yeah.
things we can add under the header part. Okay, the logo, the name, everything.
Yeah.
Same way we have different options: content, footer. Uh,
Page archive, single post.
So for SEO, when we do this, what will be the page header, the H1 tag, the blog or archive, single post, how it should be. So here, based on this customization, our SEO will impact for the content part mostly.
Yeah.
Okay.
Footer.
And footer section. Footer is the below the bottom of the page where we add the social links
Yeah. Yeah.
or other things. Yeah. WooCommerce. WooCommerce, as I have installed the WooCommerce, it was showing WooCommerce. But if I don't install the WooCommerce, then it will not show here.
What is WooCommerce? It's.
Same e-commerce, like the orders and all the stuff we can see.
Oh, okay.
Just
Okay.
just the e-commerce.
Product. Yeah. 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 Now
Okay.
menus.
And menus. Menus we can create multiple menus, not only the main menu. We can create a secondary menu also, where we can place the secondary menu in the footer. Okay, like about section or something else, where we can keep the secondary menu in the sidebar or under the footer. So we can create those menus. So here, this is not the right place to create menus, but we will
Mm-hmm.
have other option to create menus.
Okay.
Okay. Widgets. Widgets are like if you want four social icons at one place or some 4 file links at one place, then we can create one widget. Or you want to show time, you want to show time in your website like a watch or the digital time something, then you can also create a widget under and you can place the widget anywhere you want, like the here the footer you are seeing the 4 parts of the footer, so we can place any widget in those 4 parts.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
So here footer 1 to 4 means that one footer will be there, that footer will be divided into 4 options.
Okay.
Okay, just give me a minute. Sorry, meeting room. Footer will be divided into 4 parts. That's it. Nothing. There will be no different footers. Just one footer. It will be sectioned into 4. That's
Okay.
it. Okay. Uh, Home page settings. Here, home page settings are important because home page, what you want to show in the home page. You just want to show a static page or your post. Like static page means this page will not change.
Yeah.
This
Yeah.
page will be same. Your latest post means when you're writing an articles, the latest article will come in the top page. So for most of the bloggers, they will use the latest post, but most of the
Mm-hmm.
service-based companies or e-commerce companies, they'll use a static page.
So they okay. So your latest post comes into the dynamic, right?
Yes, latest post comes into the dynamic. Once you update that, directly it will reflect in the home page.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So here we have 2 pages, a bottom home page and post pages. Okay. So home page will be static for the service-based companies.
Okay.
Okay. For the post pages, blog, like in the menu, you will have the blog link. When they go to the blog link, then that will be the static. Sorry, that will
Okay.
be the dynamic. Once you update the blogs, new blogs, if you write every day one blog, that
Mm-hmm.
latest blog will be on the top
Okay.
for the blog page. So here we have
Mm.
2 options.
Yeah.
Yeah. So go back. Yeah, additional CSS, like if you know any basic CSS, there's no need to go into the server. Here you can write and make changes in the website wherever you want. If you have knowledge, we can use this part, but mostly we will not use that.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, so this is on the appearance part. You can go back. So once if you make changes, you need to publish and then you can come back. Okay. After themes, customization. So we have seen under the customization. So under the customization, we have seen the same widgets. Again, the widgets will be same. So,
Mm-hmm.
but the appearance of creating will be different from here. Menus. If you click on menu, okay, here you are seeing a different way. So this is the best way. Like under the customization section, it will be small and it might be confusing for some of them. So we can come under the menu section to create different menus. Okay,
Yeah.
here on the top you can name the menu. Like we can create multiple menus, not only one menu. Just we can create another 2 3 menus also. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So here onto your left, in the middle part, like add menu items, the pages, post, custom links, and categories. Here you will see all the pages what you have created. The post or pages or links or categories, everything you can see here. You can select the pages from here. You can just select one. You can just check box. You can just select one page. Yeah,
Okay.
just select one and click on add to menu. It will be adding. It will get added to the menu.
Oh, okay. Should I do or not?
Yeah, you can do that. No, do it.
Okay.
Okay, here
Okay.
you can see. And in the bottom, if you come to the bottom menu settings, no, here in the middle part. Yeah, yeah. Here under the menu settings, here you can see two things: auto add pages and display locations. Display location is primary. Primary means the main menu on the top of the website. Auto add pages is like right now if you have added a page, and that page will directly reflect in the main menu.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so that will happen like whenever you add a page, then that will directly reflect in the main menu. If you haven't selected that, then it will not reflect in the main menu by default. Okay.
Okay.
And
So suppose if I want to delete the, oh, there is option also. Okay, remove.
yeah,
Okay.
and if you want to make it as a sub menu, just select the digital marketing training and move it to right side. No, here in under the menu section. Yeah, just select it. No, just keep the cursor on digital marketing training. Yeah, and move it to left. Slightly move it to left. Yeah, right. Yeah, add it there. It was showing a box. Add it in the box. Yes.
Okay, this
Okay.
is sub item.
So now this is the sub menu. Like under
Mm-hmm.
about, it is a digital marketing training. Okay. For example, we have a menu called services or trainings. Under trainings, we can add like digital marketing training, Java
Got it.
training, Python.
Mm-hmm.
Just dragging the menu page will create sub menus. Now this will be the main menu. So if you save that, we can see the menu in the website.
Mm-hmm.
So
Sorry, what?
yeah, if you save that below, then it will be saved and it will reflect in the website. Okay.
Oh, okay.
So other than these, here on to your left, you can see the post and custom links and categories. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Posts are from the blog post. If you want to add any particular post in the menu, then you can do that. Or categories. For example, like if you're blogging and you're writing around two categories, veg and non-veg, then if you
Mm-hmm.
want to add that veg and non-veg in the main menu,
Mm-hmm.
then under the category section, you can create the categories and you can just select those categories to be added in the menu.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. So this is on the menu. Right now we don't have any categories, so it might not show, but if we create it will show it here.
Okay.
This is on how to create menu and header. You can see the header section under the menus. On the in the left side menu, the black bar.
Oh, yeah. Headers.
Okay, again it was coming to the customization section, and here we need to select the header part. So to add whatever the images or things like that.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Okay. Same way we can edit all the other things. So mostly menus are important because it will reflect how the website will appear and the navigation of our website. The user should not get confused. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
the menus are important mostly. And backgrounds, yeah, backgrounds also how it should look like, the color combination and things like that.
Yep.
Okay, and we have the demo importer. Demo importer is like if you have the paid version or maybe sometimes free version, when you see the preview and details, you will see a nice website when you're installing the
Mm-hmm.
theme. Okay,
Okay.
but when you install the theme, you will not see that nice website. You'll just see the dummy data and images will be broken and things like that, where we need to build from the beginning to get to that kind of website. It will take 1 week or maybe based on
Mm-hmm.
our expertise, 1 day or 1 week. So here we have the demo importer. So on the mostly on the paid version of themes, we can use the demo importer. In the demo importer, if you click on it, they'll show 10 websites, 10 to 20 different kinds of website within the same theme. How the color combination might be, or the different menus might be. So we can import whatever we want. Okay. Here, this is all the same theme. So here you can see they are tagged as premium. Some are tagged as some are not tagged. Where
Mhm.
these websites which are not tagged, we can import them. It will come exactly. The images and all will come. Just we need to change the images and names, and then we can use the themes. Okay. So if we buy,
Mhm.
we can use all these 10, 20 themes, whatever we get for the $50 or $100, how much ever
Mhm.
the price is.
Mhm.
But we can get the free themes also, so that will work mostly.
Okay.
So this is the demo, and this demo importer might not be available for some themes. Okay, they'll directly, if you are paid, then they'll directly give the theme. But some websites, some premium, very big companies will provide this demo importer and different kinds of options of themes.
Mhm. 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 Okay.
Yeah, demo importer stats also same. We'll get some statistics on that. And Zapra options. These are the theme options below.
Okay. Okay.
And theme file editor. Click on theme file editor. So theme file editor is the background of the website, like the coding part of our WordPress website. I understand.
Yeah.
Okay. Here, this is the coding part of the website. Mostly we will not touch this. But if you have the PHP, this is on the PHP. WordPress is based
Yeah.
on PHP. So if
Mhm.
you have PHP knowledge, you can also make some changes, whatever you want. Like on the right side menu, you can see style.css, function.php,
Mhm.
404 page, archive comments, header and footer, and index pages. So how it will be, we can edit these things if we have some knowledge on these things.
Okay.
Okay, but mostly we will not touch these things. And when you're doing something, just take a backup, because
Mhm.
right now this is a dummy site, no problem. But if you're working on it on any other company websites or pre-built website, you need to
Mhm.
take a backup, because if something goes wrong, then the site will crash. We don't know what is the issue.
Yeah. Yeah.
So that's the base suggestion. So it might happen. We don't know why it will happen, but it will happen.
Yeah.
And on the plugin section next, click on it. Just click on add new or install plugins. So here we can see the plugins. These are the installed plugins. Okay.
Mhm. Mhm.
So what are the plugins installed? We can see it here. We can deactivate them or activate them, whatever we want. We can do them. And on the top, if you go to top of this page, you can see add new button. Yeah. If you click on it, you will go to the plugin store, where you can find all different kinds of plugins. If you come down, yeah, here we have different kinds of plugins. You can just search. If you want to have forms, you can just search forms, and it will show different form related plugins.
Mhm. Mhm. Okay.
Anything, like in the website you will see WhatsApp chat options. You can type chat option, you will see the WhatsApp chat option, or different kinds of, maybe WhatsApp or Facebook, whatever you want to have it in the website, you can see that.
Okay.
These are the plugins. We need to install and activate the plugin. And then if we want to make changes, like after installing the plugin, it will provide us with the options like change the colors, change the position,
Mhm.
change the
Mhm.
size of the icons. We can make small changes, and we can use that in our website.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. So these are the plugins. After plugins, we have users. You'll have the plugin file editor also, same as theme file editor, but mostly we will not use that file editor.
Mhm.
And user, just if you want to give access to someone, click on add new user. If a company has different bloggers, maybe 10 bloggers or 15 bloggers, you can give access to them. The access can be level. On the last part you can see the role, as a subscriber or admin or whatever they are. You can provide them the access
Mhm.
based
Mhm.
on their user level. If they are bloggers, then you can provide them access to blogs. That's it. So they can log in and they can publish their articles.
Okay.
And profiles are nothing, just creating their own profile. That's it.
Mhm. Mhm.
And tools. Tools, we have import and export mostly. So here, available tools, it will suggest us the tools. We don't need the available tools. We have
Mm-hmm.
the import and export options. Okay. Import means, export means we can export our website completely. We can take a backup of our website.
Mm-hmm.
Import means if you have taken backup, then if you want to import that, you can use the import option.
Okay.
These are the import and export options. Like if you want to migrate your site to a different server, then you can take a backup. But you can export this whole site and you can install the WordPress in another server and you can just import it directly to another server.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, these are the import and export options. Site health, it will show some details why it was slow or the page is broken or something. The site health will be shown. Export personal data, erase personal data, schedule actions. So these are some of the basic things where it will provide. And scheduled actions are like if you want a backup every 1 month or every 1 week, we can use that kind of options.
Uh-huh.
This
Uh-huh.
schedule actions. Okay. And then
Okay.
settings. Settings, yeah, settings are important. Of course, most of them are important, but we'll use them. We'll use the like general writing, reading. We will go through each and everything under the settings section
Mm-hmm.
uh, to do that. So WordPress will make the SEO easy because of these options, like the settings or the appearance settings or plugins. Mostly based on with these two, we can build and we can make our SEO optimization very easy without the help of the developers
Mm-hmm.
or any knowledge of coding. So these two things are we will use most of the time, mostly
Okay.
for SEO. So this is on just the overview of how the menu, what are the options will be available in the WordPress. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Got it. Yeah. So this is a WordPress site.
Yeah, this is the WordPress site. You can use the link, you can use these credentials, just go through and look at all the options, just play around,
Yeah.
uh, just to get familiar with the WordPress site. Okay.
Yeah.
Now, when you install, you will not have anything like these WooCommerce and things will not be having. So
Mm-hmm.
no need to worry on that. When you install in other websites, no need to worry on that. Just you will not see the same things what you're seeing here. But the
Mm-hmm.
media pages, posts, comments, and then after the appearance. After appearance, everything will be available, and under the media pages, everything will be available until comments. The in between, it will not be available.
Okay.
Some plugins will go to tools. Like here you are seeing WooCommerce products, analytics and all. These are the plugins. But some plugins, some basic plugins will not be shown under the menu, but they'll go under tools. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Under tool section, some of them. Right now here we don't have any plugins under tool section, but when you install a plugin, sometimes it will be under the tools section.
Section.
Don't get
Mm-hmm.
confused why it was not showing in the menu.
Okay.
Sometimes
Okay.
it might be under the tool section. Okay. Now let's start creating a basic website of basic pages. So now go to pages. Yeah, all pages.
And all pages.
All pages. Let's see what are the pages available right now. Okay, so once you import the theme, you will get many pages with the theme.
Okay.
Okay, with the theme you will get many pages. Here I have added classic editor also. So next to about, you are seeing classic editor and Elementor. Okay, these are the two different things. By default, Elementor you will see. Classic Editor, I have installed it as a plugin and I have added it here. Let's see what are these two different things. Okay, uh, actually let's create a new page. Go to the top and click on Add New Page. Yeah, just give a title of the page, maybe something, services or something.
Mm,
Just, yeah, mention it as service. Okay. Uh, if you come down onto your right side, you can see publish button. That is a title. Below is the below is the body content where you can write the images or content and whatever it is. Like it is like a basic word pad. This is the classic editor. Okay,
Okay.
just copy a paragraph from Google and paste it here. Like just type what is digital marketing and copy the paragraph and just type paste it there just for understanding purpose. Okay, now you can just make the what is SEO training as H1 and paragraph. You can make those changes.
Sorry, where?
What is SEO for marketing? Make it as H1 tag. Yeah, select it
H1.
and yeah, above that you will see the drop down paragraph drop down. Click on it. Yeah, H1. Make it H1. Okay, so that is H1. That is a heading. Okay,
Okay.
main the services will be heading, but yeah, this is will also be heading. So the below one is a paragraph. So if you want to add any other thing, you can do that. Okay, let it be paragraph. So if you want to make it bold or if you want to add the links, you have the different options above. Same like Word document. We can make how we make changes in the Word document. We can see
Got
that
it.
here. Okay.
Yeah.
And on your right, you will see these different menus. On the top, you have the save draft, preview, publish options. So here you can schedule that. The status is under draft. We haven't published it yet. Okay. The visibility is public. We can make changes to that visibility also. If you click on edit, you can
Okay.
see different options, public or private. Yeah,
Private. Yeah.
password protect. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
And then the third option will be publish on. We can schedule the dates. Okay, if you want to, if you're writing 10 blogs, you can upload 10 blogs and you can schedule it every day one blog.
Okay. Okay.
That is a schedule option, and you can publish that. There is a publish button, and you have the move to trash like the delete option, and the above button is a preview next to save draft, just to check how our page is looking. Okay, this is the main thing which we'll have, and the rank math is which I have installed. It will not be on many pages, but it's fine. Below, if you come, you'll see the page attributes. Yeah, page attributes, parent. We don't need the parent page. So if you click the parent page drop down, so we don't have any parent page. Like we are creating it mostly the single page. So we don't use this parent page option. Okay.
Okay.
And below that parent page, you have the template. So
Yeah.
in template, click on it. We have like blog default template. Yeah, default template element are full width and how the page should look like. Okay, if we select each one and if we select the preview option, we can see different themes. Okay, different type of pages. Some page will have full page. Some page will be on only on the middle and right side and left side there will be some spaces. Okay, so we can
Okay.
use the default template. Mostly that would be best thing to use,
Mhm.
but we can check what are the different options we have. We can check that.
Okay.
Yeah, if you come down after the page attributes, we have the editor, it's fine, link suggestion, fine, and featured image. Featured image is like when you're writing a blog, you'll see heading, image, and one paragraph. After one paragraph, it will ask us to read more or click more to see the whole page. So at that point of time, the featured image will be on the top.
Top.
Okay, yeah, in the page. Like if you're seeing 10 articles or 10 pages in one place, so the heading, the featured image will be there, and below the featured image, there will be one paragraph or 2 lines or 3 lines, and then it will say read more. So for that featured image, we can add the featured image here. Okay,
Okay.
that's it. So the left side you're seeing that all are the plugins which I have added. Okay, plugins will come later to the plugins part where it will be SEO part. At that time, we'll see what are these plugins and how to use the plugin.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
Now, just let's create the page. Just publish this page.
Like this only?
Yeah, just fine for the testing purpose, right?
Okay.
You can add the images and all later, but just publish it. This website is not being used, so no, it's
Okay.
fine.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, this is the page which you have published. Like that, we can publish different pages. Okay, right now you have just added as service, but you can add it as SEO. So here the difference is we have posted under service like what is SEO marketing. So
Yeah.
what is SEO marketing is a kind of blog. It is not a page. In
Mm-hmm.
page, what we do services, we do explain.
Mm-hmm.
We are a digital marketing agency. We provide five different services like SEO, social media, Google Ads, social
Uh-huh.
media ads, email marketing. This is what we should explain in the service page.
Okay.
Now, when we go to the post, so this is just basically how to create a page and how to use the options.
Mm-hmm.
And here, one more thing, Elementor. So this, what you're seeing here is a classic editor.
Classic
Okay,
editor. Okay.
just it will be like simple and very basic. Okay, everyone
Uh-huh.
can understand that and everyone can do
Yeah.
that.
Yeah.
And if you click on edit with Elementor,
Oh, where is it? Oh, yeah, this one.
yeah,
Yeah.
edit with Elementor. Elementor will be somewhat advanced, no need of coding, but we will have more options. Here in the classic, we do have just only the word options like alignments, link, and the paragraph, how to set the paragraph, and how to add images.
Yeah.
These
Yeah.
are the basics. If you go to Elementor, we will have many other options. Click on it. Okay, here it was not showing up. Just go to WordPress editor. Okay, come. Yeah, okay. Close this. Okay, this is the Elementor preview, like how the web page will be looking. Okay, when you preview how it looks, same
Mm-hmm.
way here we will see that. Onto the right, close this navigator. Okay, now this is how our page looks like. Okay, services is the main heading, and this is what is SEO for marketing is the heading and the paragraph. Okay,
Yeah.
onto the right side you have recent post. That recent post is also called the hello world and things like that. Those are called as the widget. We can call that as widget also.
Mm-hmm.
Now, if you want to add like text onto your left, you can see these things, favorite basics like heading, images, and all. Just drag that heading and drop it somewhere in the page.
Oh, okay. So these are free or like
These are free. Elementor is free
okay.
mostly. So
Suppose I
here,
want to take this.
yeah,
Where can I drop this
just
one?
click on it. Click on it. Okay, below. No, close. Okay, come down. Below the paragraph. No, below the paragraph. You will see these things like drag widget here.
Oh, drag widgets here.
Yeah, or else you can click on the plus icon also.
Okay.
So the above one we have built it in the classic editor, so it was not taking up. So here add a new section. Click on the plus icon. Yeah, select your structure. How the structure should be one or two columns. If it is two columns, one image, one paragraph, you can do that like that.
Mm-hmm.
Select
Okay.
one.
This one.
Yeah. Okay. On the top, you are seeing the two blocks.
Here.
Yeah,
Okay.
two blocks have been added. Now you can click on the place icon and you can add anything in that, maybe paragraph or image, whatever we want. Yeah.
Okay, I
Now
click
just
on the
drag, yeah, drag the image and drop there. Yes. So now this is the image. So
Oh,
onto the next one, you can add some content or
text.
something. Yeah, text.
Um, this or what I should. I
Anything
think
is
text
fine.
editor
The text editor will work. So for
Okay.
paragraphs, we will use the text editors. Okay,
For
only for
para.
headings, we will use headings.
Okay. Okay.
Okay,
Got it.
yeah.
Yeah.
So here we do have many options. Like we can add HTML codes also. Like when you go to GitHub or something, they'll add the code, right?
Mm-hmm.
That part also we can do. There will be many options. Just click outside and we'll see them.
Where?
Just click anywhere, anywhere. Yeah, click on them.
Yeah.
Yeah. Now onto your left side, you have these options, right? Heading, images, and all. Just close this basic one. Drop down
Left.
basic on the top. Yeah. Favorites basic. Yeah. Click on. Yeah. If you click on basic, it will close. Yeah.
Pro.
Now you have the pro. It was asking for the paid. This will be under the
Okay.
premium section, but it's fine.
Mm-hmm.
If you come, mm, come down.
General. Yeah.
Uh,
More.
okay. No, I'm not seeing what you're seeing. Maybe close this pro section.
General.
Okay, yeah. General. So in general, we do have different options. The gallery, image boxes,
Uh-huh.
image carousel. Image carousel is we can add 10 images. It will scroll to the next.
Okay. It
Okay,
will
like
keep on
when
going.
you open Prime or Netflix on the top, you'll see 4, 5 movie names, right? It will scroll.
So basically, everything is inbuilt in WordPress because I remember I did this like how image shows in in Netflix by using CSS.
Yes,
But here we don't have.
here it
Okay.
is inbuilt. Yeah. So everything is inbuilt. We don't need coding, but if we know coding, then it would be an added advantage.
Yeah, got it.
Okay. So uh, do one thing. Just create some pages, maybe 3, 4 pages.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, and okay, post also. Under post, we do have different things. Pages in the sense like first thing when you're building a website, don't just go and create the pages.
Yeah.
Make a plan, like what you want to build. Forget about this website. You can do anything in the website. This is just a dummy. Now,
Okay.
do you want to build a business website or do you want to build a company website? So, what you want to build, select that.
Mm-hmm.
Based on that, make a plan. Like just the basic. Don't take much efforts. Just the basic part. Like maybe I want to build a digital marketing agency.
Mm-hmm.
If I want to build an agency, how the agency websites will be there. Go to Google and search for digital marketing agencies. Look 3 4
Okay.
websites. There will be basic menu on the top, images and how they have
Yeah.
explained what. Just look
Yeah.
at that
Mm-hmm.
and create some pages for that. Okay,
Okay.
service.
Okay.
Just copy paste
Sure.
the content from there. Actually,
Mm-hmm.
copy pasting is not the best practice for SEO, but this is for the practice and dummy website. So just do that.
Okay. Yeah.
So create 3 to 4 pages. That would
Three.
be fine. Or if you have time, just you can do like 2, 3 pages just for understanding purpose. Based on the pages how you have created, we can create menu. Okay, based on how you have created the pages. Based on that, we can create the menus, and based on that, we can create the blogs also, the post
Okay. Yeah.
also. Okay, just look that. So why I'm telling look the other website, so as you're doing, just don't do it for the sake of doing. Just if you go
Mm-hmm.
to the Google and look for that, it would be clear like how to build a site and you can understand it in a better way.
Yeah.
That's it. Okay,
Okay. Yeah.
so yeah, do this if you have time. Okay, we'll
Sure.
meet tomorrow.
Okay, yeah, sure.
Okay.
Thank you.
And on your website, I'm not getting that. I spent most like time, but I didn't understood what happened. It I raised some tickets. Once
Mm-hmm.
it was done, I'll let you know.
Okay, okay, yeah, sure. Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, okay.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Bye.
Bye.